The compact SUV that defined the segment is back for 2026. But in a world flooded with crossovers, does the Toyota RAV4 still deserve the crown? Let's find out. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel because your one subscribe helps us to grow. Let's start the video. Under the hood you have got options. The base 2.5-liter 4-cylinder makes 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic, it's adequate. Not exciting but smooth and predictable. The hybrid though, that's where I would put my money. 219 horsepower combined, standard all-wheel drive and EPA ratings, up to 41 miles per gallon in the city. In 2026, that efficiency matters more than ever. And if you want the best of both worlds, the RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid delivers 302 horsepower and 42 miles of pure electric range. It's the sleeper performance pickup of the lineup. On the road, the RAV4 rides comfortably but handles competently. The suspension soaks up potholes without feeling floaty. Steering is light, maybe too light for enthusiasts, but perfect for daily commuting. The hybrid's eCVT can drone under hard acceleration, but around town, it's whisper quiet. TRD off-road and adventure trims add legitimate capability, increased ground clearance, better approach angles, and multi-terrain select. Most owners won't use it, but it's nice to know it's there. Toyota didn't reinvent the wheel here, and honestly, they didn't need to. The 2026 RAV4 keeps the rugged, almost truck-like stance that buyers love, with subtle refinements to the front fascia and new LED signature lighting. You have got sharper character lines, updated wheel designs ranging from 17 to 19 inches and fresh color options, including this new Cavalry Blue that actually looks great in person, not just on the configurator. Around back, revised tail lights and a reworked lower bumper give it a slightly more premium feel. It's not a revolution, but it's a smart evolution of a design that already prints money for Toyota. Inside, the story is familiar, but upgraded where it counts. The materials are a step up from last year, with more soft touch surfaces and better panel gaps. The big news is the standard 10.5-inch touchscreen running Toyota's latest audio multimedia system. It's finally responsive, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto baked in. No more cable hunting. Higher trims get a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that's crisp and configurable. Physical climate controls remain. Thank you Toyota. Rear seat space is still excellent. I am 6 foot and I have got headroom and legroom to spare. The 60 by 40 split seats fold nearly flat, giving you 69.8 cubic feet of cargo space. That's class competitive, if not class leading. So should you buy the 2026 Toyota RAV4? If you want the most exciting compact SUV, no. The Mazda CX-50 drives better. The Kia Sportage looks bolder. The Honda CR-V feels more refined inside. But if you want proven reliability, strong resale value, a hybrid system that actually works, and a dealer network on every corner, the RAV4 is still the rational choice. And sometimes rational is exactly what you need. Pricing starts around $29,500 for the LE and climbs past $45,000 for our loaded Prime X SE. My pick, the hybrid XLE Premium, best balance of features, efficiency and value. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 doesn't try to be the best at any of one thing. It tries to be great at everything that actually matters. And after 20 minutes with it, or 3 minutes with this review, that's exactly what it is. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.